Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on a Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. If you don't have the pin, if you've forgotten the pin and your screen is locked, you can do this and it will reset your phone. It will delete the pin and but it will also delete everything else off your phone, your apps, your photos, everything, and your phone will be like it was when it came out of the box. So if you want to do that, we can go ahead. It's real simple. You're going to press and hold the power and volume up buttons and keep holding them until the phone turns on. And once it turns on, it will turn on with a menu like this. And what you're going to do is use the volume buttons to toggle up and down, and you can toggle down to the wipe data factory reset option, and then hit the power button to confirm that option. Once you do that, you'll get this screen, and you'll have to toggle to the factory data reset. You'll see it has this warning, this cannot be undone. Everything will be deleted off your phone. If you're okay with that and you hit it, you can just go ahead and hit that. It'll take a couple minutes to go through it, at which point you can just reboot your phone and your phone will be reset like it was when it first came out of the box. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.